Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix laptop screen freeze or stuck updated 2025. First method is press Shift, Ctrl, Windows key and B keys, refresh display. Second method is Shift, Ctrl, and Escape keys. Stop most consumed CPU and memory apps. Restart Windows Explorer. Third method is press the power button for 10 seconds and then restart the laptop. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.